Oh hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Jason. This is my new 24-9R and I'm gonna retorque the P-22 clutch bolt. A lot of problems with those last year. I don't wanna take any chances, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Question of the day, have you checked your clutch bolt on your P-22 to make sure it's at the right torque? Comment below. First thing you're gonna want is a torque wrench and a T60 Torx bit. This is a 1/2" torque wrench. I got a little reducer because my little kit is a 3/8 set. I'm just using the Stanley torque set. Not sure where we got it. Dealer told me to retorque it to 100 foot-pounds. When I picked up the sled, they told me that they had warmed it up and retorqued it already, but I'm gonna go to 100 foot-pounds of torque. Right about there. I'm also gonna retorque the quick drive bolt, the upper and lower sprocket. Pull this panel off. And I have already wedged in a pry bar. I have it just sitting in there on the belly pan so that I can go hands-free and I can use 2 hands on the T60 there. Foreman on site. All right. So this might be a little overkill, but I always like to put my hand here. So that's where I got this pry bar kind of wedged in there, just on the belly pan. And we're just gonna see if this bolt will move at all. So yeah, it moved a little bit, maybe 1/8 of a turn. Retorque one more time. That's it. So now we're gonna retorque the quick drive bolts. In the belt kit that you can buy, it says to retorque them 44 foot-pounds. Pull this panel off. So here's your 2 quick drive bolts, one up here and one down here. They're both 15mm and your torque wrench should be set to 44 foot-pounds. No movement, that's good. Nice and tight. So super quick, 5 minutes, retorque your P-22 to 100 foot-pounds, quick drive to 44 foot-pounds. It's a really good peace of mind. Don't have to worry about it. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully you don't have any issues with yours. I sure hope I don't have any with mine. I've never had a clutch issue yet on a Polaris, and I've had quite a few of them. So pretty excited. We're going riding on Saturday, same place as in the last video. We're gonna have the 9R out again, and the people I sold the 850 to are planning on meeting me. And so it'd be kind of cool to see how they do side by side, see if the 9R really was that big of an upgrade. My 850 was, my old 850 was running awesome. The 850 I was riding last week, not so much. Hopefully we can get that figured out. We figure it might be just as simple as a new belt and put the stock silencer back on. Only one way to find out. We're gonna have to test it out. Oh yeah, and we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. Thanks to all you guys that subscribed. If you haven't already, make sure you do so you don't miss the next video. See you next time. Hello, sir. Trying to film a video here. Can I help you?